Charlie.
What is it about dogs that brings us so much joy?
Well, hello.
Do you think I'm ridiculous? Throwing a party for my dog?
No. I went to a doggy wedding last weekend, and it was, like, surprisingly emotional.
Maybe it's because dogs are the most adorable creatures on the planet.
Her little face looks so angry and happy at the same time.
Listen to me, baby, that's all you got.
Whatever it is, dogs mean the world to us.
I want to help you find your dog.
Hop on.
Are you out of your mind?
Gertrude, you look absolutely beautiful today.
Charlie!
This is not our dog.
This is our dog. This dog has made us a family.
Every spot that you've sniffed on this entire walk is the same. Just pee anywhere!
Dogs open their hearts to us, to love, and to be loved. And I find that beautiful.
Whoa, whoa! Let me buy you dinner first, pal.